Hi, my name is Luhan, and this is a Gurucan tutorial. If you are a new user to Gurucan, this is how you can access your course from the web browser and also from the app. So the first things first is to when you are registered as a user and to go and look for the email from Gurucan. So if you don't see it, you may want to look under the spam box and you see something like this. It says Zest Gurucan. So Zesty is the academy that I'm using, and if you say Gurucan, it says welcome. So if I click here, um, I will get a link. So you will get your login email and also your password, which you can change after this. And what you can do is we can just click on the link to go to the Gurucan website, which is linked to the course or the school that you are registered with. So in this instance, I'm simulating if the user was registered from the back end. Yeah, so if registered from the back end manually um, by the admin. So what we're going to do is we're going to log in, and to log in, what we're going to do is this is the details. So that means you have the account has already been created for you. So I'm just going to copy and paste in here. Log in. All right, so it seems like I'm logged in, and immediately what I can see is these are the offers, and I can see that I'm already mapped to the platinum package. It says here purchased. So purchased, this is gold and mindfulness starter pack, and you can see the pricing at the bottom. So on the left hand corner, we can see all the useful links. So the first one is offers. We can go to courses. So these are the courses that are available with your account. So as I map to the platinum package, I can see that I can go into Zest Up Your Phone, Mindfulness Starter Pack, Inducing Peaceful Sleep, and Free to View July selected recordings. I won't go through the rest as this is we won't be using this for this. So so this is the web application, and immediately you can log in. So let's say I want to view the recordings. So I'll click on this. So this is a lesson. You can see this is the selected recordings. And in the lesson, I can see that it includes mindful stretching, mindful sitting, and mindful walking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on start. So once you click on start, then you'll be brought to the lesson itself, and you can view it immediately. So
Okay.
for example, this is the
So
lesson.
as we do these stretches,
and this is a video
we invite
lesson.
you to kind of come back to kind of pay attention to your...
Right, and we can see there are two videos here. There's a long one and there's a shorter one. And let's go back and check out another lesson. So there was a recording, and let's look at inducing peaceful sleep. So in this course, so there's some descriptions here. The instructions for this practice is straightforward. Yeah, so and what it includes is it says here inducing peaceful sleep audio and inducing peaceful sleep video. So let's go ahead and click on start. So once I'm start, I'm inside and I can listen to the audio.
This guided practice is on
Right.
sleeping meditation.
And you can listen to the audio only, or if I go to the video, I can also just click on next. So I go, so it says here, okay, I'm done with audio, and then I click on video. So this is the video version of the same program.
This guided practice is on sleeping meditation.
Right, and let's say once I'm done, I'll just click on complete, and it will show that, okay, I'm done. So what happens when I've clicked on complete both is that you can see the bar, it's completed. And the next time I click on it, I'll be brought to audio or video. So I can just jump ahead to whichever that I prefer. Yeah, you don't have to go through the start or next, that kind of thing. you can just jump straight to the lesson itself. Let's look at something a little different. So zest up your phone. So this is the package for those of you who sign up to get a phone wallpaper with quotes. So there's some instructions here. Again, you can read it, and then includes a collection. So you can start. So once you click on start, then we can see that, okay, so the first wallpaper is here, wallpaper number 1. So there's a picture of the wallpaper, and this is the download. So you can click to download. And then it will download a high resolution version of the quote. And in wallpaper 2, same thing. You will see the sample of the wallpaper. And for this wallpaper, there are 3 versions. So there's 2A, 2B, 2C. So you can download whichever position that you want. So this is the way to use it on the web. All right. So this is quite straightforward. You can use it in any browser that you want. And if you want to change your your password. So let's take a look at that. Let's go to the top right. It's my account here. It says LH Public, and just click on it, and we'll go to settings. So here, of course, if you want, you can upload your photo, change your name, and change your password. So this is the password. You can type in your old password, which you have gotten from the email that was sent to you, and then you can key in your new password. All right. You can also look at your purchases. Okay, so there's no purchases here because this was registered from the back end. So the courses was automatically mapped to your account. All right, so let's take a look now and see how do we access this from the phone, right? All right, and now I'm going to show you how to access Gurucan from the mobile app. And in this case, I'm using the Android app, and my phone is mirrored to my PC, which you are looking, and it's working exactly as how you would see on your phone. So first of all, you have to download the app, and to do that, just go to your Google Play Store and search for Gurucan. All right, and you can see that I've already installed Gurucan on my phone. If it is not installed the first time you are looking, it should be a download or an install button over here. So just go ahead and click that. Once it has finished installing, then you will see something like this. And just go ahead and click open. So this is the app, and just give it a moment to load. And once it's loading, it will show you something like this, a welcome screen. And for Gurucan, the screen, the login, rather your user account is tied to individual schools. So for example, you may have a Gurucan school for school A, and you may have another login for school B. So those are different logins. And if you're using the app, you need to choose the right school to log into. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and choose which school. So at the right at bottom of the screen, there is school selection. So I'm going to choose back to school selection. And in this case, it says enter course name. I'm going to click on that. And let's type in Zest Connection. So for this, there is a Zest Connection Academy. So I see the logo. That's the right one. I'm going to click on it. And it will lead me to the login page for this school, right? And I'm going to click continue with email. And this is the login page. You would get your details from the email, the welcome email that was sent to your email. So let's try that out. I'm going to go to my Gmail in this case. And if I remember, it's in the spam. All right, we can of course take it off, take it out of spam. That would be good. So you can see the different emails from Gurucan when you start any courses or when the school emails you any information. So these are the details. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy. All right, I'm going to copy to here. I'm also going to copy the password. Right, please change your password. I'm going to copy the password and I'll kind of paste it here. Okay. And then we'll sign in. All right. So once it's signed in, then you can see that, okay, so there are at the bottom of your screen, there are courses, chats, articles, and challenges. So most of the time you would be just using the courses tab, which is the default. And similarly to the web browser that we saw earlier, we can just click on any of this. And for example, let's just go to inducing peaceful sleep, which shows that we have already completed it. Yeah. And there's the audio, and then there's also the video version for this, right? And so what we can do, we can go ahead and click on audio, and we can play it from the app itself. All right, you can increase the volume.
It's on sleeping meditation.
All right, and what you can do is you can also turn off your screen to continue listening to the audio lesson. If you want to do that, you can. All right, so let's go back, and here we can also look at the video version. So similarly, you can click on the video, you can maximize it, and then you can watch it as well. All right, so let's go back. So that's pretty much it. But let's look at something else. So let's look at Zest on your phone. And we've already started this course. So you will see that, okay, so wallpaper is here. Right, and you can see the download. You can see the wallpaper, and you can also see the download button. Yeah. So if I want to download, I'll just click on the download, and it should download the file. Right. All right. So here it is, and that's it. That's it for using the Gurucan app. So right now, the Android app, this is the one. It doesn't seem to have an icon for some reason, but it is Gurucan, and you can put it to your home screen so you can access it easily. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching this new user walkthrough. I hope this has been helpful to all of you, and happy learning. See ya.